G'day and welcome to this week's video. My name is Rowan and I'm a financial planner with Consorting Private Wealth. In today's video we're going to be looking at the financial side of things by owning private health insurance cover. Now we're going to touch on topics such as the insurance rebates, right through to some of the surcharges that may apply. Before we kick things off though, a quick disclaimer to state that this is purely general information only and it doesn't take into account your specific financial situation. Now, the decision to take out private health insurance cover is definitely going to impact you financially throughout the year. And when it is time to choose which policy or plan which is best fit for you and your family, definitely review the healthcare options and services that are available within that policy in particular. Just as important, it is worth taking the time to work out how much you might be paying every year extra by not taking out private health insurance. So it definitely demands some respect and a bit of research into owning the policy versus not owning the policies. Now, the Australian government has a number of key initiatives in place to encourage us all to take out private health insurance. Now, these initiatives include the Australian government private health insurance rebate, the Medicare levy surcharge, through to the lifetime health cover loading, all of which we'll explain over the following few slides. Now, starting with the Australian government private health insurance rebate, this has been designed to make private health insurance more affordable and accessible to Australians. Now, the rebate is awarded based on the individual or family's taxable income and also the number of dependents that they may have. Now, the rebate gives Australians money back in the form of reduced insurance premiums up front or a private insurance offset at tax time. Now, how we work out the amount of rebate applicable, that's calculated on April 1 each year, and it's based on the Consumer Price Index and also the average increase of premiums in the private health insurance sector. Now, the Medicare levy surcharge is a private health insurance tax encouraging higher income Australians to take out private hospital insurance, otherwise they will pay a penalty. Now, we all know usually the Australians pay a standard 2% Medicare levy at tax time. Now, the Medicare levy surcharge adds an additional amount to those who don't have private health insurance. Now, the additional amount is either 1%, 1.25% or 1.5% of your income. Now, the surcharge is calculated based on your income levels and only applies to those singles with a taxable income over $90,000 or families who earn over $180,000. So this is definitely worth doing some research to find out if there's a substantial tax savings to be made by owning private health insurance. Now, finally, the lifetime health cover loading encourages Australians to take out private health cover at a much earlier age and also to hold their cover continuously by introducing financial penalties if they don't purchase private health cover before their 31st birthday. Now, under this particular loading, all insurers must add 2% to an individual's premium for every year they did not take out health insurance after their next July following their 31st birthday. So, for example, if the individual was 35 years old, there would be an 8% increase to their premiums. Now, this does not affect individuals who took out health cover before their 31st birthday and therefore encourages younger Australians to take out private health insurance at a much earlier age. Now, I hope that covered a few of the basics. Hopefully it doesn't influence your decision to pick up private health insurance or not, because the medical benefit side of things will most likely far outweigh the financial tax penalties or loadings or whatnot. But if you'd like more information in regards to private health insurance, definitely speak with your financial advisor or a general insurance advisor as well. Thank you for listening. I hope this information was of value.